Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends. Hope everyone is doing well. Today we learn a line command. How to draw a line command without using a ortho mode. So we let start the video. First we go to the draw menu from where we appear our menu line command. We select the line command and see in command bar one option is easy specify first point. We click first point and for end of the line we click specify the next point. We can put next point in where we need, or we have some length, but now we need a straight line. So what we do, go to the shift at the rate, then we put the length of the line and shift angle, then we put the degree. Now we need a horizontal line, so we need the 0 degree. We put the 0 and enter. Okay, now we get the horizontal line. Now we need the vertical line. Again we go to the line command, L enter, and specify the first point, and after that we have a length, vertical length dimension. So we go to the shift at the rate and put the line length and shift angle. Now we need the vertical line, so vertical is 90 degree, so we put the 90 degree and enter. Now we see the vertical line. Hope this video is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you for watching. We will see in the next video. Allah Hafiz.